Viewer Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make double breast coat collar jacket collar. So watch this video, like, share, comment, subscribe my channel, click bell icon button for next video. Let's starting coat collar making. Collar for double breasted jacket. Collar for double breasted jacket size 36 is high point shoulder, neckline, front neckline, double breast coat or jacket, neckline, lapel point, lapel outer line, lapel break point, whole line, back neckline, 3/4 inch. Here I extend back neckline 3/4 inch, quarter inch. Collar for a double breast coat or jacket line. Back neckline 3/4 inch. Collar height 1.5 inch 4 cm. Collar point 1.5 inch. Level 2 collar quarter inch. Collar point outer line. Collar outer line. Double breast coat collar drawing finish. Green line collar, green line. Double breast collar cut to double breast coat collar pattern making finish. Collar on short sleeve on style size 36. Collar making 1 inch backward from level, full line 1 inch. Collar stand height. Collar neck line, neck seam line, back neck line 3/4 inch. Back neck line 3/4 inch, 45-degree angle. Collar center line 1 inch. Collar stand height 2.5 cm, 2 inch collar height 5 cm. Collar point line 2.5 inch. Collar point line, collar outer line. Collar center line, collar stand center line, collar stand, collar line, collar stand and collar seam line, collar outer line, collar point line, lapel point, green line. Collar on short, sleeve on long style size 36. Collar stand and collar pattern drawing finish. You need to separate pieces like this way. Collar stand, collar, make separate piece. Collar on long style size 36. Here I start collar making. Quarter is backward from neck point. Collar stand, neck seam line. Here I measure back neck line 3/4 inch. Also here I measure 3/4 inch. Back neck line, back neck line, center line 1 inch. Collar stand center height 2.5 cm, 1 inch 2.5 cm. Collar stand seam line, collar height 1.5 inch 4 cm. Lapel point 1/4 inch. Here I make lapel collar point 1.8 inch 3 centimeters. Collar outer line, collar point, collar green line, collar stand green line. Collar stand neckline seam, neck seam line, collar stand collar seam line, collar on long style, size 36 collar and collar stand making finish, collar outer line, collar point, collar and collar stand seam line, collar neck seam line, collar point, lapel point, single breast collar, double breast coat collar and jacket collar making, collar neck seam line, collar and collar stand seam line, collar outer line, collar point, lapel outer line. Thanks for watching. Like and share, comment on this video. After drafting and drawing, after drawing and making finish, then you will need to separate making this make separate piece